Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup DigitalOcean Droplets using snapshots and metadata tags, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your DigitalOcean Droplets using snapshots and metadata tags, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the Droplets section from the main dashboard. Identify the droplet you wish to backup. Click on the name of the selected droplet to enter its details page. In the Droplet Detail view, locate the Snapshots tab. Click on the Snapshots tab to view any existing snapshots. To create a new snapshot, click on the Take Snapshot button. Provide a meaningful name for the snapshot to identify it later. Consider including metadata tags in the naming convention for better organization. Select the Create Snapshot option to begin the process. Monitor the progress of the snapshot creation in the Notifications section. Once the snapshot process is complete, you will see it listed under the Snapshots tab. Next, navigate to the Settings section of your droplet. In the Settings section, find the Metadata tab. Click on the Metadata tab to manage tags associated with your droplet. To add a new tag, enter the desired tag name in the input field. Click on that Add Tag button to save the new metadata tag. Repeat the process if you wish to add multiple tags for better categorization. Return to the Droplets section to verify the snapshots and tags are applied correctly. Consider scheduling regular snapshots to maintain updated backups of your droplet. To do this, navigate to the Manage section. Select the Automated Backups option and enable it if it's not already active. Choose a frequency that suits your backup needs. Remember, using metadata tags helps you organize and manage your droplets effectively. In the event of data loss, you can easily restore your droplet from any of the created snapshots. Simply go to the Snapshots tab where your backups are listed. Select the snapshot you want to restore. Click on the Restore option associated with that snapshot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.